everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I'm making something fun and cool. So I'm mixing my ResinCrete here. I'm working with ResinCrete today. So what I'm doing here is I have taken my casting powder, and the ratio for this casting powder is 10 grams powder and 3 grams water. So just mix according to the amount you need. So I have mixed the amount I need for my project here, and this is a split cup that is used for a dirty pour. So I am adding this into all the section of my cup here. Instead of mixing each one into a separate cup, I will be mixing all at once here. So I have poured my ResinCrete into the cup here, and now I will be using these pigments, and these pigments are by Jasmonite. These are highly pigmented. You will see what I'm talking about. So a few drops of this pigment into each compartment, and you will see how highly pigmented they are. So I'm going with the primary colors, yellow, blue, and red. And in the last one, I think I will be combining all three colors. Before I thought I'll pour this onto the canvas. Then after that, I thought I'll just pour this into the mold that comes in the kit of the ResinCrete. So next time I might try this on a canvas. So in the last one, as I explained, that I will be adding all the colors. And now I will be mixing them separately. I have a tissue paper in my hand. In between, I will be cleaning my stick. So make sure that you are mixing your pigment nicely into the ResinCrete, because I don't want a marble effect here. I want all the color to be submerged into the liquid. So as you can see that I'm mixing the color, how vibrant they are. So these are the true colors. These are so vibrant. So anyone that use the Jasmonite pigments, they know that how vibrant and good quality these pigments are. And believe me, these are with me for around now 2 years, and they are still in a good condition. I do get amazed by the quality of the pigments by Jasmonite. So I really don't know, the last one turned out to be a bit on the dark side. Hope it don't ruin the rest of the colors. Fingers crossed. And now is the fun time. So excited about that. And let's start pouring. So at the moment I am doing it in a circular way. So as you can see how gorgeous it's looking like. This is an art itself. I really enjoyed pouring this into the mold. And then when it was getting a bit on the thicker side, it was creating rings. And I was creating the swirls. So one thing I'm happy about, that I mixed the correct amount and there is no extra eco resin left. So it's all done now. I'll leave this to dry for 30 minutes and see you after 30 minutes. So this is after 30 minutes, and you can see the rings, some of the rings are disappeared, but still it's beautiful to look. So now fingers crossed for the front view. So this is how the front, it is vibrant, but it did mixed a lot, but I'm still loving it. It's giving me a sort of tie and dye effect here. So next time I think I'll leave the liquid to get thicker up a bit, and then I'll start doing the pouring, but still it looks amazing. I love it because this is a risk that I have taken, so I have to accept it how it looks like. So I did manage to have some marbling on the edges, plus this mold is so cute. It has a bubbly effect on the sides. So it is simple, you can leave it like this then, but it's me and I need to add some gold. But this time I will be adding some a brass. Instead of any foils, I'm using this brass gold ink. So I will be adding a little drops onto these bubbles, and then with the finger I'll just press them. I don't want to overdo them, but still I need them to be all around. So I just keep on adding a little bit and then pressing with my finger. So this is just the final step. I didn't add anything more. So let's see how this looks like. So this is how it looks like, and I'm just loving it. The effect is beautiful, and with this brass or gold ink, it did lift it a bit more. And these are my cute gnomes that I made last year. So if you want to see how I made these, I will link up here the video. They are with me, and it's time to take them out. So they will be accompanying me with my all of the rest of the projects here. So this was a quick fun video. I had this my idea of doing a dirty pour with ResinCrete. So I do love it, and I think it's successful. Do let me know in comments what you think about it and if you like it. So thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so. And I will be putting up the link for the ResinCrete in my description with the discount code if you like to treat yourself. This ResinCrete is an eco resin, and it's good for giving gifts at this time of the year, or you can make gifts with for your loved one with this. So it's totally a win-win situation. So take good care of yourself. Bye bye.